Welcome to Gayathri's Cook Spot. I'm Gayathri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make eggless chocolate crinkle cookies. These cookies are crisp on the crust and soft like cake inside, and this is the ingredient list. I've also given it in the description box below. Please take a look. First let us mix the dough. To sugar add cocoa powder, oil. You can add any neutral oil. I've used coconut oil here. Milk and vanilla essence. Mix them well. You get a thick batter like mixture. Once all the ingredients are mixed together, you can add the dry ingredients. Add maida and baking powder and mix to form a slightly loose dough. Those cookies can't be baked immediately because for getting those crinkle effect, you need to refrigerate the dough and make it firm. So what we are going to do is we'll mix the dough, cover it with cling film and refrigerate it for 4 hours before making the cookies. So the dough is done. Now cover it with cling film. You need to cover it tightly because you don't want to dry the dough. Refrigerate it for 4 hours, minimum 4 hours. You can also leave it overnight in the refrigerator. Now sift together icing sugar and corn flour. These two are very smooth flour like, so you can't mix them just by spoon or fork. You need to sift them together. Now take the refrigerated dough, pinch small portions out of it and roll it into tight balls. Maybe the size of a laddu, and then place it in the bowl of icing sugar and corn flour and totally cover the dough balls with the flour mixture. Now arrange it on a greased baking tray 2 inches apart, and by the time you need to preheat the oven to 175 degrees centigrade. You need to preheat it for 15 minutes. Now place the tray in the middle rack. See, I have switched on both the filaments and also the fan and bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. By the time it's finished baking, the cookies will still be soft to touch, but they will firm up once they cool down. So allow them to cool in the tray itself, and then you can release the cookies from the tray. And now you can serve it with a cup of coffee or tea, or you can just store it in an airtight box. They look beautiful, right? So they are crisp. They have the crispy crust and the insides are just like soft cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends, comment below, and also please subscribe to my channel to receive updates. Thank you.